بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم. في مقياس المخصص للغة الإنجليزية سوف نتحدث على البرنامج. Okay. The program this year is going to be very simple. We have 15 lessons. The lesson number 1 is about how to understand and say numbers. Lesson number 2, it is about telling time. Lesson 3, I can say days and dates. Lesson 4 is about countries and nationalities. Lesson 5 is about using classroom vocabulary. Lesson number 6 is about giving personal information. 7, I can talk about my family. 8, I can describe physical actions. 9, I can name parts of the body. 10, I can describe people, everyday life. 11, I can describe my routine or daily activities. 12, I can talk about clothes. 13, I can buy clothes. 14, I can talk about money. And 15, it is about talking about the weather. So let's start directly our lesson. As I said before, the title of the lesson is about understanding and saying numbers. It is directed for Islamic science students. Okay, the lesson is about cardinal numbers. That means we are going to study numbers from 0 to 100. And we have the ordinal numbers that are the first, second, third, etc. Are going to study them from the first till the 10th. Okay, and how to use these cardinal and ordinal numbers in Islamic context. As the teacher, I want to ask you where and when do we use numbers in Islamic science? An example is hadith numbers. We have many numbers of hadith, first hadith, second hadith, etc. Ayat numbers, years of Hijri calendar, counting raka'at and pillars, etc. For example, we have 5 pillars of Islam. Okay, we have 99 names of Allah. We have 4 khalifas. We have 30 ajza of the Quran. We have 112 surahs, and these are called Islamic facts. And inside these Islamic facts, we need numbers, or we need to use numbers. For example, Surah Al-Fatiha, it is Surah number 1 in Al-Quran. Now let's continue with the numbers of English. We have different numbers. Every student should know how to pronounce numbers and to write them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are the basic numbers. After 12, we have 13. That means it is like a 3 plus 10, 4, 14, 15. Okay, we have 16, etc. till 20. Okay, we have 20, 30, 50. Sorry, here we have 30. Okay, and 40, etc. till we enter to 100. These are the most important numbers that we are going to focus on this year. Let's start now with the task. In this task, we are going to match numbers with in Islamic context. Number 5 is generally related to daily prayers, and we have 114 chapters in the Quran. Months in Al-Hijri year, we have 12 numbers or 12 months. And we have in Al-Isha, we have 4 rak'at. Students should know how to write numbers and how to pronounce them correctly. For example, we have 5, 114, and we have 12.
Students are also asked to give Islamic facts using numbers. For example, there are 5 prayers every day. The Quran has 114 surah, and we have Ramadan is the 9th month. You know that you have 12 months. Ramadan is number 9. Okay, you should understand how to speak about those facts and how to pronounce the numbers exactly. Some students find it difficulty in distinguishing between 13 and 30. 13 it is 1 and 3 13. 30 is 30. Okay, we have also 40. It's different. It has a difference from 14 اللي هي 14. Okay, and we should have also an idea about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are first 1 ST, second 2 MD, third 3 with RD, fourth, fifth, sixth. All the rest of the numbers we pronounce just the number plus TH, which is pronounced. This is called ordinal numbers. However, 1, 2, 3, etc. they are called cardinal numbers. Now normally we have such activities. Say and write numbers. The teacher may dictate some numbers and the learners are asked to repronounce those numbers and write them. Okay, for example, 7, write 7 in numbers and in letters. And for example, saying third, how to write third? Is it an ordinal or is it a cardinal? This is, you have to practice all these numbers. A task and you have to do it. Each student is asked to write 5 Islamic facts using numbers. For example, Muslims fast 30 days in Ramadan. This is a fact. At the same time, it has a number inside it. You are asked to add more or over 5 facts that include numbers. By the end of the lesson, learners should draw and recognize the spoken numbers. Even the written numbers are important because they use them in describing and saying facts in Islam. Say the numbers correctly and even in the written or in the pronunciation form. Use numbers in Islamic context. You know that numbers are so important and they are used in many Islamic contexts. Okay, we should know correctly, and these are the objectives of our lesson today. I wish that it was a clear lesson and simple. Good luck and goodbye.